Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of the all-new 2025 GMC Terrain Elevation. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the climate controls, as everything has truly changed from the previous model year. So let's go and hop right in and
So flipping us around, we have our massive infotainment screen here. Once again, all new for 2025. To start off with, all of our climate controls are going to be down here in this immediate section. But one is going to be your heated steering wheel, which is right here. You can turn that on or off just by clicking it. Now, once you go over to the actual screen, you have this fan with a little bit of a circular around it. And it'll pull up on the screen your climate controls. So you can either quickly move them up and down, or you can do it a little bit more precise, and that is the same for the other side. I do want it a bit warmer in here as it is cold outside. 20 degrees, there it is. But extremely cold. So now you can change your directions of where the air goes, and you can change your airflow as well. So turn it all the way up, or we can turn it all the way down. Now those are how you can do everything within the screen. Now you can turn on or off your heat/air. You have auto, which will turn the fan speed up or down depending on where you need it. Now I'm going to turn down, I'm actually going to turn down the AC, the heat a little bit, because it is still cold in here. So it's going to go over my voice. I want to make sure y'all can hear me. Now we've got our two different temperatures here. You click sync and it syncs them with the driver. Now you have AC, you can turn that on or off, and then you have circulation. Now there's no rear climate control because it is a two-row SUV, as you can see here. But now, you move down, if you don't want to use this screen, you know, the nice large iPad, you have a lot of buttons down here. So you can still choose sync, you can turn that on or off, so like change this to 84, click sync, and it changes it back. Now this, you're allowed to change your direction by clicking it whichever way you want. And it'll change the icon down here depending on what you do. Click auto, and it'll change everything back. You can turn up or down the fan speed to your desire. You have your heated seat, or you can turn it off. I'm going to keep the heated seat on for now, but the more you press the heated seat, the more it goes down, and just like that. Now we have on, off, quick key, auto. Now these buttons do not go up, however these three do. Then you have your front max defrost, rear max defrost, heated seat for the passenger, AC, and your circulation. Now those are all of the climate controls within your screen, so you have all these nice quick keys here. Or if you prefer, you have a nice large touchscreen.
As I've said, everything has fully changed from a 2024 model that I think we still have on the lot as of making this video, versus these 2025s. Just a drastic change, overhaul from the interior to the exterior. I think the only thing that stayed the same was the engine and the transmission, which is still pretty solid. I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you've enjoyed my video. I'll see y'all on the next one.